Let's turn this that way. Start recording. All right, cool. Here we go. All right. So, whoo, another live. It's been a minute. I've been on my other channel. So because I've been on my other channel, I haven't had the time to give you guys the proper amount of time that you need. Now, what's been happening? You know, let me do some updates. Okay. So, I have another channel, right? I have more than one channels. I have Levi Apparel. Give me a second. I have Levi Apparel. I have the Whiskey Pierre Lewis channel, right? I was on it for, I think it was like Monday, Tuesday. I was going to do today, but something happened. So, you know, I couldn't do it, right? But that does not mean that, you know, I'm not trying to focus on you guys. The main goal eventually is to do all these 3 channels, go live on every single one of them. All right. So let me give you a little update, right? Some recap. Got a little bit of loot coming in. So before the year's over, listen guys, before the year is over, order as much and everything you can possibly order, right? For your, you know, biz. The reason why is because at the end of the year around this time, once you get all your orders in, next calendar year, you can write off as much as possible, you know? Again, I'm not an accountant, but that's what I normally do. I do all my orders at the end of the year, minimum, and then once I have all my orders in, then I just relax, lay back, and just chill, right? For example, my website's been down for a little bit. I gotta turn it back on. I gotta pay the membership fee, and then that's gonna be another write-off. So I gotta do it before the 30th so I can get available. And I'm trying to do everything I can, get every order in that I can before the 30th hit, because next year there's not gonna be any orders. Like, the only thing I'm gonna order is supplies, and that's it. All the machines are here. So the only thing I can focus on is growth. That's it. Giving you guys more content, focusing on like doing more videos, and that's pretty much it. There's this one thing I want to order, and I think I have the space for it. I'm tired of using this propane heater that I got right here because it takes time to heat up the shop, and I need consistent heat in the shop, like the shed studio. I need consistent heat, and if I keep the heat consistent, that means the shop will continuously stay warm, and that's what we want. We want the shop to stay warm all through the winter because there's machines here that needs to be warmed up, right? And if you guys notice, I'm not here as much because I gotta warm up the shop. I gotta come in. So the times to warm up the shop and then, you know, the studio, and then come in, it's a little bit, yeah, it's not all that desiring. So because of that, I've been like, yeah, if you notice, I haven't done much Levi Apparel content. So yeah, but yeah, so my next step is to eventually get more, well, get you guys more content. That's pretty much it. So content is coming. Stay tuned. More to come. All right. So currently, just sitting back in the shop. No orders. I'm just chilling, sipping on my coffee. I have people that want stuff, But I'm like, you know what? I just want to grow my shop, man. My biggest, like the biggest thing I ever did for myself is have this shop here. Is have this shop here in my establishment, aka backyard. So that means I can turn off the shop when I want. I can turn it on when I want, and I'm in business when I want. You know what I mean? But ultimately, this is a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna give you guys content, and that's pretty much the aim of this video, right? All right. So now that you have updates, yeah. So when I get the, I just tell you guys, I'm planning on getting a what's that thing called? A pellet stove. A pellet stove. You know what? Let me go on Amazon and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Give me a quick second. I'm gonna go on Amazon. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about by pellet stove. Man, the internet's taking forever. Forever. What in the world is that? That was weird. Somebody just text me. Yikes, why is it taking so long? That's crazy. Plus, like, I got videos like I want to show you guys, so oh my gosh. Alright, that's the other thing. I need to start updating some stuff, some software, and man, is it because I have too much things on? Yeah, I think so. Give me a minute. Let me. Oh, the Wi-Fi is not even on this. We can't. Okay. Let's go to Amazon. Alright, so once we get to Amazon, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so we there. Give me a quick second to get things settled. Oh, does that have my location? Which one is this? Give me a minute. Oh, it doesn't have me logged in. Okay, that's great. Palette stove. All right, so okay, so guys, okay, cool. Bam. All right. So this is what I'm talking about. Pellet stove, right? I'm not getting this one. This one's, man, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. All right. So this is a traditional pellet stove. This one costs $1,000 because it also have like, you can plug it in, right? That's where you get all the digital stuff. You can regulate the heat. There's so many things you can do, you know. So that's it right there. All right, that's where you would like clean it. These are the pellets I was talking about. So you open the top, you add the pellets, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Sit back, enjoy yourself while you get nice heat. All right, so that's what I mean by pellet stove, but that's not what I want. So let's go back a little bit. Okay, this is the one I want. Okay, cool. This one right here. Right here. That's the one I want right there. So now imagine I have this, right? Ooh, the shop would be hot 24/7, right? So the pellets, I don't need them to go, like, I don't need it to be continuous because the place is like insulated. So at the end of the day, since the place is insulated, I won't have much worry as far as like keeping this place warm. It's getting it warm, that's the issue. Keeping it warm is no problem. There's insulation foam, insulation we call it R whatever on the walls, so the walls in all the shop can stay warm. It's just I need to get it to the point where it's actually warm. So that's pretty much what's going on. All right. So, you look at my time. So it's time to go. It's almost time to go. But that's what's going on in the shop. I'm gonna get this right here. Let's see if I can what in the world? Sorry guys. Alright, that's how it looks like. Packed. So right here. Oh, also you can actually cook with it too. So imagine I'm in here, I could throw some chicken. Nah, I wouldn't do that. I'm right next to the house. Oh, but I am looking at those right there. Those don't bagels. Give me some nicely warm bagel with cream cheese. Yeah, definitely. That's a doer. That's a doable right there. Yeah. So it's rated mostly for like outdoors and stuff like that. But as long as you have it filtered, you can actually use it inside. I mean, I'm using it inside. I don't know about you guys. You do what you need to do. Find out the information that's available for you, and do the right thing. But for me, I'm gonna use it um, inside. You know, and I've seen places that used it outside too. So I mean inside. So it is what it is. All right. So that was it. That was it. That's the whole plan. That's what I plan on doing. That's the biggest update for me. I plan on getting those, and then also I'm getting these right here. Um, you know, that'll be for another time. That'll be for another time. Like, subscribe, Levi Pell. Appreciate you. Appreciate you.